cabanga ukuthi uyajola mara ujola ne-boyfriend engana first touch mara amantombazana but asikho lapha angiphethe player la brother can you please introduce yourself with your name surname and also tell our viewers ukuthi udlalela iphi team and uhlala kweliphi kasi?
Sure, hayi igama ubanele Sibongwa Kamlaba ngidlala iwing ngidlalela iVavas J captain iVavas J ngihlala ema-12 eThwathwa.
So nje mawushele lento yebhola ibuyaphi so like sifuna ushare ukuthi uqale kanjani ukudlala ibhola and ubani player ukhulu ubukela phansi kwalo ezi role model?
Ngikhulu ukudlala ibhola bengidlala estradini vele ngoba yonke into iqala estradini yabo. Kwaya ngatholela enye Hotman la ngicova la ngifaka egroundini yabo. Ngaphusha umuntu engikhule ngibukela kuye ile uRoy Nkambule.
Shout out to Roy Nkambule bafethu. So nje ezukena ekasi most intwana sifuna ukukhula udlala ibhola. So wena as a player like what's advise uthini ukuze like mengizokubuza le question ukuthi like how to handle the pressure and how to prepare yourself for ama games?
Yonke into ayiqala izwe ngithola yonke into omele uphushe eqala ukuze uzokhona ukusucceeda la ufuna ukufika khona ngithola. Abajita bona bangaphusha nabo la baphusha khona. Yonke into iqala ejimini nje yami. Ayikho into eqala egamini nje amele ujime hard ukuze uzokhona ukufika la ufuna ukuya khona.
So okay, we as my captain we lead a ground which means we lead a team yonke. So as a captain yini role yakhe ground and yini ama challenges onokufacana nawo?
Kunokuba nzima kakhulu ngithola ngoba mele ubuye uunderstand abajita bakho uphinde understanding from abo coach ngaphandle nangaphi isikhathini ezibhaya abo referee yabo ngoba wonke umuntu ubheke wena nabajita noma balwana nabo referee ukumele uphinde uyehlisa abajita ngithola and ngesinye isikhathi kunokubuya kubaseleke nawo kube uwolwa no referee futhi showcase.
So according to experience yakho efootball ngokubona kwakho which position is the hardest ground and why?
Midfield.
Reason being
Model midfield uba khona masikatheka siyamakha ngithola kuphumuleki lapha ya.
So wena as a player iliphi player owadlala nalo elibest as a teammate owadlala nalo as a hardest opponent and iliphi player ongafisa ukudlala nalo ongakaze wadlala nalo?
Ngisadlale nalo as a teammate Sibusiso Maloyo Adfu. Ngisafisa ukudlala nabo babhaya nje yami. Ethimini ewana ababhaya njengabo Maponya so ngisafisa ukudlala nabo.
Hardest opponent?
Usoni.
Soni Mkongo. Sure. So you know my player you can't just play football without supporting any team ku pro side. So la eMzansi and abroad to support which clubs?
Makhosi mfana.
Pesheya?
Pesheya Barcelona. Sure.
So before ngibuza le question, tell udlala position
wing.
Okay, so kulama khona ama wing are highly rated now ku European football. So like ngifuna wa rank like UK senza kanje you start one bench one and sell between Lamine Yamal, Michael Olise and Kvicha Kvaratskhelia.
Sure. Ngiyangoya mali. Bench Olise. Ngibhayisa le enye.
So let's say you get a chance ukubhayisa le enye uVaratskhelia say umthengisa nga 100 million and you totally 100 million iza kuwe into ongayenza for ukunceda community?
Ngavula maybe amaphaknyana ngithola intwana zikhona ukudlala zizokhona ukubaleka estradini ngithola sami nabo gogo kanje ngithola ama foot parcel nje
imama ulikaya malini lo
akunokuba nzima kaye maybe 10
10k
10k
ku 100 meter
10 tang
10k 100 meter
10 tang
not 100
10 tang
mantombazana mina ningangifakazisi nimzile mombonile ke ungasamqomi uzwile ukuthi ustinge uzwile ukuthi ustinge so like ngizokubuza ama question le question izoba trick ne so upreferani ukuthi ucoach akubench full match or akushaya ngebench like ubench full match ne or substitute first half or athi yakufaka imatch iphela
bench
full match
bench njalo
so like uprefer bench okay so azubona ibafana manje idlala iWorld Cup iyodlala last game against South Korea ine possibility ukuthi ngaqualify to the next round so let's say mukuwe ucoach and umkwena akekho sikunika imendlela ukuthi ilungise isquad sethu sikwazi ukuyilungisa next game yini into ungayenza ngefootball knowledge yakho?
Mina bengizoya ngombatha no Adams bese ngithatha umfukeni lapha yabe yi10 sure
okay striker
ngwana sisi
Makhupa showcase abo Foster
bengangongwana sisi
sisenke nazo ichintsha ngosithola
Never.
Kanti ine wrong ngosithola azi abantu bayacomplaina ngosithola kanti usithola because usithola udlala phesheya I thought uyiplay ne-experience ine wrong ngosithola
Yeah, but uskena wrong.
before okay ngicela usiza ama-player ne ma uyiplayer before receive ibhola yini okumele uyenze kucala okay lese ngiyiplaya ngiyalibiza ibhola ngiyalifuna from ku-back pass ka-goalkeeper yini into okumele ngiyenze because most people abadlala ibhola abazinix bathola ibhola ureceive ibhola uyenza ama-decision a-wrong so let's say I'm a player ngifuna ukureceive ibhola kumele ngicale ngenzeni before everything
Uyaskena left and right. Showcase.
so that is comfortable.
Yeah.
Okay, before sivala ma-brother, any word of the day for intwana ezincane ezikhulele ekasi ezidlala ibhola?
Ayikho into ezakalula bajita yonke into kumele siyisebenzele.
Yeah.
Kumele uphushe bajita uzofike la ufuna ukufika khona. Sure.
Before sivala ithi vum gone kanje.
Gone guy.